Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl again, Glory Best on this one. So guys, been a while you see my face because your sister was, you understand, I was pregnant all this while. Okay guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video. So I just need some accessories, so I decided to order from for SHEIN. So I just decided to make an unboxing. So let's get started. So it just arrived from JLS. It's less than 2 weeks. Their shipping is extremely fast. Okay guys, so let's unbox. Okay. I got quite a lot of stuff here. Can you imagine everything that I bought here is 43 euro. Affordable. So guys, let's unbox together. Ta-da! So let's see what's in here. So like I uploaded a video last week. I had to bake a newborn baby. If you haven't checked out that video, you can go and check it out. So when I upload that video, I had a lot of negative comment that I have to off the comment section. I know it for Walla. So I got this for my baby bath, as in inside the, you get it. If your baby wants to take his shower, you can use this to make it more comfortable for him. So I love it. It's just exactly like the photo. I think I bought this for, is it not 8 euro or 9 euro? I don't really remember. But it's so cute and it's soft. I love the texture. It's cute. It's calm. So my baby can now bathe comfortably sitting there, and this is, yeah. So this one, I will give this one 7/10. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Okay, this one is a shower cap, like when you want to wash your baby hair, because I have these challenges whenever I want to wash my daughter hair, that the water always run over her face and kind of I don't like it. So I need something that whenever I want to wash her hair, it will make easier, that the water will not run through her face, it just pour away. So this is nice as well, though I don't need it for the moment. And yeah, pam 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 pam. So I'll make another video of how I try it out. I'll be trying it out, or should I? Okay, this is the waist train. I bought this one. I think is a 10 euro, 11 euro. So as a CS mom, I just need something that will be more comfortable for me. I don't want anything that will stress me. So that is why I go for this one. But I will try it later. I will try it maybe at the end of the video. But guys, what do you think? It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I will try it out. And I have a something about me is that now everybody's not taking skincare very seriously. so there's the way I normally have issue about the skincare, the scrub. Whenever I want to scrub my body, I normally have this my hands always somehow I don't feel comfortable scrubbing with my hands. So I need something that I can use to scrub my body when I want to scrub. Like, I think it will be more to exfoliate. See, you can, as you can see, use this for if you want to take your bath. Most people use this for exfoliating their skin. So I think this is nice as well. I love it. You know something about SHEIN, this what you order is what you get. There are some websites is what you order versus what you get, but SHEIN is not like that. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So this one, nothing mother bra. Hope it's my side, but it's so beautiful, guys. It's stretchy because my babies always want to suck, so I need something that I can just open only this place like that, just the nipple area there. So it's so beautiful. It's good quality, guys. I don't expect this. I don't expect it to be this. I'll give this one 9/10. I love it. Okay, I will check it out later. Okay, then let's see what we have here again. So I have here pum 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 pum. I just gave birth to. I'm now looking for sexy pants. See wala. Plus I won't carry belly again. It's cute, cute. It's nice. I love it. It's a nice panties. Yeah, it's beautiful. I will use it tomorrow. Car wash. Okay, so let's go into the next one. I cut white. So I saw this and I just feel like this it's just this fringe clip. I just feel like it will fit my daughter. It look good on my daughter's hair, so that's why I bought it. And it's so cute, so cute. You see it? Although I've made her hair already, but it's so cute. You have pack it and you give this. You see, it's even giving for adults. Let me see. Okay. Okay. See? I love it for my daughter. It's very cute. It's very cute. Look at it. The texture is not human hair, but and it's not falling out. I don't know, but it's kind of, it's nice. That's all I have to say. It's nice. I love it for my daughter. Okay. Alright, so here comes this one. This one is hair clip that I want to use for her hair. You know, one thing is that I find it difficult to bead my daughter hair after making him braid all those beads. It's difficult. I don't know how people does it, because here in Europe you need to learn everything by yourself. So I just saw this on SHEIN and I feel like this one is going to be okay for me. Do you know why? Because this one I can open it and close it by myself. It has a open and close clip. You see, let me show you what I'm trying to say. This one it can open. You see, I can open it. Like for example, let me give an example. I just clip it on my hair like this, and I will. You see what I mean? Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it, and it's very affordable. It's €1. I bought this one. I love it. Okay. So this one is still one among the exfoliating hand scrub. Thank God I bought the other one. This one is kind of small, but this one will go to exfoliate the skin. It's very rough. Let's see. You can see also it will be made easier, scrubbing made easier. So I love it. It's all nice. Then last but not the least, but the most important thing I ordered that I've been expecting, because my daughter is starting school tomorrow. So, and she will not be using pampers, diapers. So, and they don't allow using of pampers. So that's why I bought this washable pampers. So it's like panties that even though they wear it, they will not know that she's putting up pampers. But in case she mistakenly pee on her body, they won't notice. You see it? It's pants. Look at it. The material is so nice, guys. And it has an absorbent inside that it can absorb anything. Like in case you pee, it won't get sweat. Yo, see, it's cute. So I bought, I think it's 4 in the packet. It's 4. So that's this is mine. Yeah. So that is it for today, guys. Let's try the waist trainer. Let me try the waist trainer for you guys to see. Okay. Because I gave extra here, so my belly is big. So let's see how the waist trainer will look. Maybe it will smash or not. Okay. But I thought I bought large. Why is this small? It looks small. It looks small. Is this how they use it? It's not my size though. Oh, how do they use to do it? I don't know. Okay, I think I will take this off, right? Or how? Because I'm not getting it. I don't understand how they use it on. Don't know. Let's see. Maybe it will work this way, but I don't know. Let's try it out now and see. Guys, it's very small though, and it's expensive. It's too small. It's too small. I thought it would be stretching, but little did I know. I don't know it will be this small. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Please subscribe, like this video, and share. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.